Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Friends, today I made for you coconut laddu recipe. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, it is a famous recipe of Bengal, especially in Laxmi Puja day. It is a very special recipe which every Bengali people made at Laxmi Puja day. So you can make this recipe at your home very easy and very quickly. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel. So let's go. First I take here a medium size of coconut, you can see, and I washed it very nicely. Now I will break it into two pieces with my scraper. You can see I take a scraper and break it with the back side of the scraper like this. You can see you have to break the coconut like this with the scraper. You can see our coconut break very nicely into two pieces. You can see it. Don't throw the coconut water. Keep it stored. It will be very helpful in next time. You can see now I will scrape it with the scraper. You can see how to scrape it. You have to scrape the coconut with the scraper like this. You can see you have to scrape the coconut like this. So friends, you can see I scrape all my coconut very nicely and it become full of a plate. You can see now I will take a kadai and give all the scraped coconut into it. After giving the scrap coconut into it, now I will give the coconut water into it which I already stored. If you give the coconut water, the binding of the laddu will be enhanced so much. After that I will add here akher gur. If you want, you can add the sugar also. For a medium size of coconut, I will add here 150 grams of gur. If you want, you can use the sugar also, but you have to keep mind one thing, you have to keep the measurement very nicely that the binding will be very nicely. Now I will stir it in medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes very nicely. Otherwise our coconut will be burned out. You have to stir it continuously. After 8 to 10 minutes, you can see our coconut fried very nicely. Now I will show you another way how you can check your coconut fried very nicely or not. If your coconut can come out from the karai like this, you can think your coconut fried very nicely. Now I will test it with my hand and make a laddu and check it binds or not. You can see our laddu binds very nicely. That means our coconut fried very nicely. Now I will take a bowl and give all the fried coconut into it and make the laddu when it become hot, because if it is cool down, the laddu will be made very difficult. So now I will wash my hand with cold water and make a laddu shape with my hand very nicely. If you use the cold water, the laddu shape will be very nice. So you can see our first laddu is ready. Like this I will melt all our naru very nicely. You can see it. So friends, our today's recipe Laxmi Puja special laddu is ready to serve. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. So bye for today.